Go. So, repairability test for Denise Masters. Date is October 10th, 2022. It is 1 o'clock p.m. This is the shingle that we're going to be attempting to repair from wind damage. This is going to be on the P slope as requested. You want to give me your phone real quick, stay in that safe spot. This is a very dangerous roof to be doing this on. There's severe granular loss throughout. Just give you an idea of what we're looking at here. I'm gonna go with 1, 2, 3. These shingles are already in bad shape, but this is the safest place to perform this repairability test. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and granules are already pouring off of this. The shingles are in terrible shape, very brittle. Granules are pouring off. The shingles are already creasing just from breaking the sealant strip. Okay, we're gonna start pulling some nails here. The tools we're using is a roof nail claw, State Farm tool, roof snake, 5-in-1 as you saw, split sealant strips, and a hammer.
I can barely stay up here, man.
Well, you just hold on. I've done as fast as I can. Shingles are literally falling apart. I don't know why. They wanted a repairability test. Oh, my leg. Tough gig.
Especially if you're not flexible.
Yeah. Okay, see your phone. Shingles are extremely brittle. There's creasing and granule loss on all of these. Can't really see it here, but it's exposed fibers. Creasing there clearly, just from barely touching the shingles. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the shingle. So they got wind damage up here. They even missed marking and stuff. Okay. Okay. Ow. And these are next to, just, I don't know if you ever tried to do one on a Ridge Pro. It's just.
How are you gonna hold the rope?
Exactly. State Farm tool, roof snake to install these new nails. Are literally falling apart. Sprayer test has failed. It's been damaged to all the surrounding shingles. They've been compromised, creasing, granule loss. This is irreparable.